happy wife, happy life.
Hi guys, look how cute my babies. Ayan, we're going to Walmart to buy groceries. Ano, we're gonna buy toy baby. Ayun, mainit ang ulo ni Brayden. We're gonna have milk first, okay? Love you, baby. Okay, we're ready. Look at them. Look at them, guys. They're so big. Daddy put them in the
Car seat.
car seat. So yun guys, papunta kami sa Walmart. We're gonna do grocery shopping pero kasama yung buong bahay at buong barangay. Sama namin yung kambal kasi ako mamimili ng groceries papanlagay ko sa balikbayan box to send to my family. So I'm very thankful to Calbo naman that although our budget is so tight that he still let me do this. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Oops. Eyes on the road. I know you're handsome.
Hey.
So, kaiyak na naman yung dalawa. Ayan. I'm giving them pacifier para hindi mag-iiyak. Ayun yung dalawa guys. Si Calbo ay kumukuha ng cart. Kaya ayokong lumabas eh. Mapilit lang si Calbo. Kasi gusto niya mapuno na yung balikbayan box. Ayan na, Daddy.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna... Oh, maybe we can put them on top.
We'll see what we can do.
Well, you did that before.
Inside?
No, on top.
I tried, but I don't know if they go in there very good. Let me see.
It has a locked. Oh, nawala na naman yung binti mo, Dawson. Oh. Here na, oh,
They
baby.
don't fit good in there.
There. Do you need that blanket?
Well,
Yeah, it does, son. It's already there.
do you trust that?
Yeah.
I don't think you need that, but
Andito yung isa. Hi, Brayden. Happy? Dawson is kind of fussy. Ayan, marami na silang pang summer na damit. I like to shop. It's so cute. My baby is sleeping. Hi, Daddy. What did you get?
water and 1.5. I want to see how much this movie is. It said $5,
Okay.
but it said see sales associate.
Okay.
Hey, did you see these socks?
Look at all this Easter candy. Next year, we're gonna buy this for the twins. Oh gosh. That's the Ferrero that I want. A big Ferrero. I don't know what I'm gonna get because the last time Mom said not to buy a lot of candy. Maybe just a little.
These.
Calbo wants to buy them a Pop-Tarts para daw magustuhan ng aking tatay. Okay.
I wish I could get, well, they don't have that many single. I get different flavors, but they got all big packs.
Oh,
I think they'll like that. They like Oreos.
okay.
They like Oreos.
I don't know. You can get that.
I think they'll like them.
Ayan, naiinis na si Dawson. We're almost done, baby. Yun guys, Daddy is still loading all the groceries. That's a hard work. Pagod ako, but I need that. I need a workout. Anyway, I don't think it's enough, so I'll probably come back and go to other store, maybe Kroger or Dollar Tree to get something. Kasi gusto ng pamangkin ko yung mga ipit-ipit. So they got there at the Dollar Tree. Mura pa. So, yeah. Binili ko lahat yung mga pagkain na wala sila doon. And I'm gonna show you guys later what we bought. And we spent like 100 something. We actually send like maybe 2 to 3 boxes a year. The next one will be maybe at the middle of the year, and then sa Pasko. Pagod ako. Hiningal ako. Buti na lang yung dalawa, hindi na umiiyak. Kasi pinadidik ko si Dawson habang nandoon kami nag-grocery.
I'm gonna put this here.
Si Daddy busy. Done?
Yep.
Oh my god, you better hurry up. Dawson. Inaantok na tong dalawang to. Matulog to pagdating sa bahay. Buti kung matulog. Baka mag-inarte pa. Ayusin ko muna. Ayan si Braden, guys. Nasa car seat pa din. Kukunin ko na kasi nakawawa naman. Samantala, si Sir Dawson. Oh, ayan. What, Sir Dawson? Oh, tingnan niyo yung mukha. Oh, parang kinawawa. Oh, why? Why, baby? You're so big na. Huh? Why? Ayan guys, yung dalawa. Lalaro muna kayo dyan ha. Bless you, baby. Matutulog muna kami ni daddy nyo. Ang cute-cute ng dalawa. Ako'y maghugas ng inyong bote. Let's go, daddy. Let's go to the bed.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Hi, daddy. Let's go.
We're going to bed? We're going to sleep now?
Yeah, whatever. Why you didn't shave it?
I haven't had time. It's always, hurry up, take a quick shower so I can take one.
I didn't have time. You're so bakla.
I am not.
What are you? What are you,
I'm
bading?
hungry.
Bading? Are you bading?
I don't know what that means, so
It
no.
means guapo.
I don't believe you. Guapo means guapo.
So yun guys, we're gonna try to pack all of this stuff. I got clothes, what else? Baby clothes kasi my sister, younger sister is also having a boy, so I'm gonna send her some of the newborn clothes that the twins from the twins, and then some diapers kasi ang dami namin diapers, so I'm gonna send her diapers and some other stuff, toys and stuff. So ito yung aming balikbayan box. Yan, ano pa ni Cowboy, iti-take pa to. May tummy. Ang laki ng tiyan ko. Takpan natin. So iti-take to Cubs. Do you have tape, baby?
I got a little bit. I told you
Bibi,
I'll try.
Baby, hunta si Cowboy. Oh, we got adobo, huh?
Yeah.
Ano problema siya kung anong kakainin namin kasi
We need rice.
hindi kami nagluto. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys now what I... Kulang pa ito. Ako'y pupunta pa sa Dollar Tree kasi marami doon. Mga mura lang. Mamura lang talaga bibilin kasi nga, kulang sa budget. So ito guys, this is a cereal for my pamangkins. Calvo said this is good. I don't eat cereal, so
Tastes
I
like
don't
Captain
know.
Crunch. I think
Huh?
kids will like it. Tastes like Captain Crunch.
I don't know what is Captain Crunch.
Well, I know since they don't know, I figured that I buy no name that kind of stuff, and it's pretty good.
Okay, and so he told me to buy this. They might like it. It's chicken noodle soup. So iinitin lang nila, and then yeah, we bought like 10, and then Pringles, and I bought them with Col-Aid. Tapos ito yung spaghetti sauce. Iinitin mo na lang siya, and then lulutuin mo lang tong pasta, and then may spaghetti ka na. Hindi katulad nung spaghetti natin na matagal lutuin.
I wanted to eat the way we eat it.
Ha?
I wanted to have spaghetti the way we eat it. I know you said you guys make it and do all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
But I just thought this is how we eat spaghetti.
Okay. Nagluluto pala si Kalbo ng kanin.
What?
I said you're cooking rice.
Is 2 cups enough?
3.
We wasted the last.
Okay, 2. Yeah, that's enough.
'Cause I'm not gonna eat a lot.
And then this Pop-Tarts and Kalbo got that. That's his idea. And then all this candies para sa aking mga pamangkin. My mother told me not to buy a lot of candies, pero bibili pa ako kasi tingnan nyo, ang konti lang. Alam nyo naman sa atin, sa probinsya to, yan, sa mga bata. Ilan ba binili ko? 4. And then, I got a big bag of candies. This is like Esther candies. And I also got them like this, snack. Kasi yung tatay ko mahilig mag-snack ng biscuit. Ayan, another biscuit. Tapos, my nanay likes oatmeal. So, I got her 2 oatmeal. And then, alam nyo na to, Vienna sausage. Ayan. Usong-uso yan sa atin. Ayan, I got like 2 pack. Pero bibili pa ako. And then, pag nagsahod ako, next Friday. And, I think this is conditioner. Yeah, conditioner and shampoo and body wash. And, I got them. Diyos ko, umiyak na yung anak ko.
Jesus,
Brownie
hurry up,
mix.
Mommy.
5 packs of brownie mix. Ayan guys, si Braden ko ang umiiyak. I'm going to change his diaper and put him to bed. Kasi alas 7 na ng gabi. Maliwanag pa kasi nga may kaming daylight savings. Savings? Saving. Are you laughing or crying? Okay. Tama na ang vlog, mommy. Change my diaper. It's diaper changing time. Daddy is changing. Dawson. Next is Braden, Daddy. May pila.
Hey, when they won't cry when I change them.
May pila-pila sa changing table. Oh my God, Braden. So yun guys, Dawson has been just chilling like that. Ang tahimik niya lang. While baby brother is having, I don't know, pang ganitong oras, ganun na siya lagi now. So yun lang guys for today, and I'm so thankful for Calvo. He knows that, you know, sa probinsya mahirap talaga ang buhay, and my parents are, wala ang trabaho yung tatay
What do
ko,
I know?
kaya the life in the province.
Sorry.
Natakot si
That
Calvo,
was
kala
Braden.
niya tumae si
I
Braden.
better hurry up before you.
So yun lang guys. Maraming salamat everyone. Bye-bye Daddy. Bye-bye Dawson.
Bye.
Bye-bye Braden. Braden is
You should tell them what
there.
my mom did the other day with the diaper.